It's 4:30. I made 2 people breakfasts. I didn't eat breakfast. Did I make you a good breakfast this morning?
Yes.
What did I make you for breakfast?
Pancakes.
What type?
Chocolate chip.
Good breakfast?
Yes.
I made good chocolate chip pancakes. So I made oatmeal for Sebastian. That wasn't too exciting. Breakfast. What do you drink? What are we gonna eat? Wingstop. The world's happiest elf.
I'm not excited at all. I'm actually
Super excited.
No, Felix is lying to me.
It's opposite day. He's super excited.
No, I'm not.
Yes, he is.
No, it's normal day, not opposite day.
It's opposite day.
No, look at this.
Look, it's opposite day. Look, it says it right there.
No, it says made to over flavor.
It says opposite day.
Let me see.
Look right there. Opposite day.
The wing aspect, that's what it says.
It says opposite day. I want to watch the new Transformers movie. Both of them are in the bathroom. And we're going to go watch the Transformers.
Sound of your own heartbeat. And feel all of your senses come alive. Feel it in 4DX.
Just getting out the Transformers movie. I didn't like it. Did you like it, Sebastian?
Yes, I like it though, but yes, if
Yeah.
we need a sequel to this.
We need a sequel to this? No, we don't.
Well, I'm just saying, this is it feels like part 1 to me.
It was part 1. It was part 1 of a very long movie. All the robots look the same. They did a horrible job with colors. How does Optimus Prime look like the bad guy? Tell me why.
He doesn't
get-
either.
He was the same blue. Like, they used the same colors on the bad guy. Like, there was so much things wrong with this movie. I got confused. Like, wait, that's not Optimus Prime. They had the same face. I don't know. I didn't like it, Sasha.
Please.
So how many stars you give it?
Obviously, like a 8.5 out of 10.
8.5 out of 10. Belle, good movie?
Yes.
How do you rate the stars?
How many stars you give it?
5.
5 stars?
Yes.
Belle, you give it 8.5. I give it -1. Honestly, feel like my childhood was destroyed. I love the Transformers, but not this Transformer. Even the last real live action Transformer, which was super long, was good. The Marky Mark Transformer, all those Transformers are good. The 80s cartoon, this was bad.